If you are looking for a European work visa that is still realistic in 2026, Lithuania is one of the countries you should not ignore. Lithuania is actively hiring foreign workers due to labor shortages across multiple industries. The good news is that IELTS is not a mandatory requirement for most work permit applications, and many employers are allowed to sponsor foreign workers legally. In this video, I will explain how the Lithuania work permit works in 2026, the types of jobs available, who can apply, and the real process you need to follow to avoid mistakes. Make sure you watch till the end because I will also explain what Lithuania does not tell applicants clearly. Lithuania is part of the European Union but has a much simpler work permit system compared to countries like Germany or the UK. The country is facing a shortage of workers due to aging population, emigration of locals, growth in manufacturing, logistics, and construction. Because of this, Lithuanian employers are allowed to recruit workers from outside the EU. This is why Lithuania remains one of the easiest EU countries to enter legally for work in 2026. For most Lithuania work permit jobs, IELTS is not required. What employers usually require is basic communication in English or sometimes Russian, ability to understand work instructions, willingness to learn on the job. Only a few professional roles may ask for proof of language ability, but it is employer-based, not immigration-based. So yes, Lithuania remains a no IELTS country for most work visa applicants. High-demand jobs in Lithuania, 2026. These are the job categories where foreign workers are most needed. 1. Manufacturing and factory jobs. Production workers. Machine operators. Packers and assemblers. These jobs usually come with employer sponsorship and on-the-job training. 2. Construction jobs. General laborers. Welders. Electricians. Plumbers. Construction is one of the largest sponsors of foreign workers in Lithuania. 3. Logistics and warehouse jobs. Warehouse workers. Forklift operators. Order pickers. Experience is helpful but not always required. 4. Driving jobs. Truck drivers. Delivery drivers. Some employers assist with license conversion after arrival. 5. Agriculture and food processing. Farm workers. Meat processing workers. Poultry and food factories. These roles are very open to non-EU applicants. How visa sponsorship works in Lithuania. Here is how it works in reality. You must first secure a job offer from a Lithuanian employer who is licensed to hire foreign workers. The employer will then apply for your work permit or employment decision. Provide sponsorship documents. Support your residence permit application. You do not apply for sponsorship yourself. It comes through the employer. This is why avoiding agents is very important. Step-by-step application process, 2026. Step 1. Find a legit job offer. Search for jobs directly from workinlithuania.com. This is the best site for foreigners. CVbankas.lt, the most popular job portal in Lithuania. LinkedIn, extremely active in Lithuania, especially for international companies in Vilnius and Kaunas. Step 2. Employer applies for work authorization. Your employer submits documents to the Lithuanian authorities. This includes Employment contract. Proof of labor shortage. Company registration. Step 3. Apply for temporary residence permit. Once approved, you apply at Lithuanian embassy or visa center in your country. You submit passport, job contract, work permit approval, medical insurance. Step 4. Travel and start work. After approval, you travel to Lithuania and begin work legally. Processing time is usually 4 to 8 weeks, depending on your country. Can you move with your family? Yes, family reunification is allowed, but not immediately. After some months, you can apply for family residence permits. Salary expectation and cost of living. Average monthly salaries for foreign workers range from €900 to €1,500 depending on the job. Lithuania has a lower cost of living compared to many EU countries, especially outside major cities. This makes it easier to save if you manage your expenses well. Lithuania is not a shortcut to Europe. It is a legal work pathway for people who are ready to work, follow rules and be patient. If you are serious about relocating in 2026, this is one of the most realistic options still available. All official job portals mentioned in this video are in the description below. And if this is your first time here, kindly tell me where you're watching from in the comments. I would love to personally welcome you. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next update on countries currently offering visa sponsorship jobs. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.